southeastern Montgomery County, southwestern Clark County, Greene County, until 9 p.m. At 8:30 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, moving southeast at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Bellbrook, Oakwood, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Cedarville, Enon, Wilberforce, Riverside, New Jasper, Spring Valley, Clifton, Centerville, Parkland, and Springfield Municipal Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 39 and 48. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 53 and 58. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.